YouTube, listen up. Listen up. Well, would you look at this? Well, would you look at this mess here? Huh? Well, would you look at that? I did, you know. Hold on, let me hold on. I'm having technical difficulties here. Yeah, I just did a haircut. It's pretty dope. He had the curls on top, mid fade. I kind of did a contour fade, kept the hooks, line up crispy. And that's what this was, what you guys have seen. All of this mess right here that you guys seen, that's all over the place. Yeah, okay, that was the cut. Make sure you hit the subscribe button. Make sure you hit that like button. Follow me. I'm tired. I just did a cut, but I'll show you how it's done. It's your boy 360 Jeezy. Stay tuned. But wait a minute, 1 second. Have you ever tried to create a line where there is no line? Have you ever tried to create a lineup and it's impossible to create? I'm gonna show you how to do that too, all right? So stay tuned.
What's my favorite word?
Alright, so before you start cutting, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna part the hair up top. So my client, he wants curls on top, he wants it to hang over. So all I'm doing is making sure that the part is even all the way around. I'm gonna put my duck clips in to separate the top from the bottom. So now that we have everything parted up top, it's time to take off this bulk on the sides. And I'm gonna do that by clipper over combing with my Cordless Masters. And I'm just setting my comb at a 45-degree angle, but I'm not really, trying to give it shape. I'm just mainly focusing on debulking the bottom half. So right now, I'm gonna take my one guard open and I'm still gonna debulk the bottom half, mainly because I wanna, make everything clear so I can set in my bald line. Going back with the clipper over comb, I'm gonna set my comb at a 45-degree angle and, just debulk the sides and basically build shape. Now, I should have just, damped the hair up top and get it to lay down. You'll see me do that later. But as I go, I just cut hair. I really am a person that wants to get straight to the point. So all the extra steps I try to cut out. But, don't try to cut out steps, man. Just if you need to do it, just do it. And on this one, I definitely should have wet the hair to lay it down and then clipper over comb.
What's my favorite word?
So right now I'm gonna contour this fade using my Barber skeleton, and the first guideline I'm gonna set is my bald line. Now notice how I'm not directly putting you know, my liners into the scalp. I'm going upward with it. And so the key to doing this contour fade is to leave that C-cup area dark. I'm gonna leave that area alone, almost in a shape of me doing some ice picks, right? So then I'm gonna go up and over around the ears. Then I'm gonna drop it in the back behind the occipital bone. That's basically the area, you know, the hook area behind the head. So right below the bald line, I'm gonna bald out using my Barber's shavers, not going all the way up to the line. I'm basically leaving some room so that I can see another layer of transition to my blend.
What's my favorite word? What's my favorite word? What's my favorite word?
So now using my custom cordless fast feeds with the lever open, I'm going up about a ½ inch, making sure that I keep it consistent all the way around and I don't rush this process. I'm not going fast, I'm not moving, you know, in a hurry. I'm just making sure that all of the hair runs through the teeth of the blade and it catches. So you want everything to be this length. So make sure you take your time and make sure that hair is that lever open length. So in the same way that I put the lever open, I'm gonna use my one guard open and do the exact same thing. But this time I'm gonna use my comb to feed the hair into the teeth of the blade. That way, it's like a stopper to where I, you know, refrain from going too high. You know what I'm saying? I can set in the hairs that I need to run into the teeth of the blade, and that could be my, you know, guideline stopper, if you will. So I understand that there's still a lot of bulk on top, but I'm gonna move back down and go with the zero guard closed in a flick out motion. Now remember, I'm starting below the line, I'm flicking to the line, and I'm using my corners as much as possible, taking my time, making sure that I do not rush the process. So now, with no guard, dropping the lever on the Andis Cordless Masters, I'm going to take out that bottom line in a flick out motion. I'm going to start below the line, flick to the line. The reason why I'm using these is because these are, you know, zero gapped. My fast feeds aren't as zero gapped as these, and it's just quicker to take out the bottom line with these. So that's why I decided to switch the clippers. So here's the part of the haircut is the most important part, is detail work. All right, you want to take a look away from the blend, rest your eyes a little bit, use the mirrors, do anything that you have to do to try to you know, just refresh your thought process or your mindset on what you see. I know that there's a lot of bulk on top. I'm gonna leave a little bit of bulk on the top so that the hair can rest on that area. I am gonna clean it up a little bit more than what it is, but I want that bulk at the top so that, you know, the hair could kind of, you know, it won't just fall straight down. It could kind of rest on it.
What's my favorite word? What's my favorite word? What's my favorite word?
So right now I'm gonna create his front line. Right now he doesn't really have a front line, and meaning he doesn't have like baby hairs in the front. So I'm gonna create that. That's what he wants. That's what he asked me for. So I'm going to part it in the same the way I parted the sides. I'm gonna follow that up and just part the front, making sure that it flows on the sides. All right, so I'm gonna bring some of that baby hair down and cut it to a 1.5, or I'm gonna, you know what, I'm gonna cut it to a 1 guard with the lever closed. So I'm just gonna cut it down and line it up, and you guys will see the process as it goes.
What's my favorite word? What's my favorite word? What's my favorite word? What's my favorite word?
my client wants a little trim on top, so I'm gonna take out the duck clip, saturate my client's hair with water, and just take off about like a ½ inch. So right now I have some curl product that I like to use on curls. This product is called Johnny B Mold. I'm basically starting off in the front so that you guys can see his lineup, basically pushing it up in the front, and then I'm just gonna, you know, apply it in the rest of the hair. Listen, let me tell you why they call me 360. When they sit in my chair, I spin them in a full 360, and they come out looking like,
damn, son, where'd you find this?
YouTube, this is The Cut. And if you like it, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button. Also, HustleDreamProduction, that's my brother, he does all my beats. His YouTube channel will be linked in the description below. Make sure you guys go give him a follow. Make sure you guys follow me on Instagram and TikTok. All right, I got a TikTok. My TikTok is official360Jeezy. Make sure you guys follow me on there. Also, if you want to know where you can find any tools that you've seen in this video, links will be in the description below. It's your boy 360Jeezy, and I'm out of here. Chit.